Come out here! What's wrong, Tom? Oh, they're going into the forest. We have to catch them. Watch your step, Tom. The grass is really tall here. I can't see anything ahead. Wait for me, please. Look at those big rocks. We can use them to cross the water. Yeah, let's go.
Keep your arms out like this. It helps you balance.
This is a little scary. I'm trying my best. I got you, don't worry. Be careful, the rocks are slippery. The water is freezing cold. Thanks for catching me, Anna. You're welcome, Tom. Let's get you warmed up. Oh no, look at these bushes. We have to squeeze through them. Oh. Ew, there are spider webs everywhere. I really hate bugs. Do you hear that noise? Oh! What's going on over there? It sounds like an old truck. Let's take a closer look. It's coming. We have to check it out. Okay, but be careful.
Get in the truck, stupid cow! Push her harder, she's heavy. I'll never go with you. Leave me alone!
Let me go, you bad guys. Don't touch my friends.
Get down, Tom, quick! Who are those bad men? They're animal thieves. They want to catch our friends and sell them. What should we do now? I'm really scared, Anna. I have a quick plan. Look at this drawing. Right here, we move around, then there. It's perfect. Let's go. First, we free Lucky quietly. Then, we make a loud noise to distract them. Finally, we guide everyone back home. Can you crawl to the tire, Tom? Okay, Anna. Perfect. Now, follow the path on the right. It's far away. But the tall grass will hide me.
This cow is too stubborn. Pull the rope harder.
I can do this. I have to save my dog. Stay low, Tom. Don't make a single sound.
Tom is here to help. I have to stay perfectly quiet.
I'm almost there. Just a few more steps. I'm here, buddy. Hold still for a second. Loop 1, loop 2. This knot is really tight.
What's wrong with that dog? Did you hear something over there?
Got it! You're finally free, Lucky. Now let's teach them a lesson. 3, 2, 1. It's showtime. Nay, nay, nay! Cock-a-doodle-doo!
What was that weird sound? Are there more animals here? Attack them, ducks! Go, go, go! Ah, get away from me! These ducks are biting my legs!
This is my chance. Goodbye, losers.
Ouch, my back! She hit me hard! Get this chicken off my head! Wait for me, Bella. I'm running as fast as I can.
Run, everyone, run! Back to the trail right now.
Come back here! My truck
We
won't
did
start
it,
anyway!
Lucky! Keep running!
Cock-a-doodle-doo! We're the champions today!
I'm so tired. But we made it home safely. Ha ha ha! We beat those bad guys! We make an awesome team! I have to admit something to you. This farm isn't that bad after all.
Where did they go?
I'm getting very worried.
We made it, Tom. Yes, we did, Anna. Home at last.
Look, they're coming back! And they brought the whole farm with them!
Oh, my goodness.
I told you they would!
Oh, thank goodness you're safe.
Bella needs more time in the morning. And the ducks were terrified.
I understand now. We have some work to do to fix this.
This is the best bone for you. No more stale bread, I promise.
This looks absolutely delicious. You did well today, kid.
Next time you need something, just tell me earlier. I'll definitely do that, partner.